Hello, this is Ian Stevenson, and we're here at the MarineMax Sarasota Marina to really go through a great walkthrough of the brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 350 Realm. We're on board the boat. This is the aft cockpit, and as you can see from the layout here, great lounging capabilities on this boat, but also doubles as a fishing boat. It's a great dive boat. It's a great sandbar boat with this beautiful dive door here. So let's take a walk through the boat and I'll show you some of the key features and how this could be your next boat. On the transom here we have the triple 350 horsepower Mercury Verado 6-cylinder supercharged motors. The joystick piloting control on this makes it seamless at the sandbar or by the dock. Very, very easy to maneuver. Flip this bolster seat back. You have a great combing bolster here, but also on all of the sides for great fishing capability, and you see some of the rod holders if that's your thing to do on the water. Turning around, I immediately am hit with this beautiful cooler, insulated cooler here that just with a turn completely opens up for your aft cooler aboard. Transom shower here, as well as on the back of the boat with a beautiful dive door here to the port side. The beauty is this boat doesn't draft that much water, so you can go right to the sandbar, step over right onto the side of the boat with a ladder. Let's take a step to the mid-center cockpit. So as you see, forward-facing seats, but this is also convertible. With a press of this switch, the seat completely deploys all the way around for opposing seating right here for a dinette table. Ingenious engineering by this manufacturer. Turn the seat back around. Transforms to your helm. So right here at the helm, very ergonomic, even sitting all the way back. You also have bolster seating here, making it so much easier to get that vantage point that we want on the water. As you can hear, we're in a very busy marina. We're selling a lot of boats. This is one of our top selling boats that we carry, and it's really easy to see why. The twin Raymarines is an option, but this boat is equipped from factory with a 16-inch screen touch display. This multi-function unit also syncs to your iPad, iPhone with complete connectivity to an iPad that comes with the boat. All of your lights, a lot of the key features are controlled right with that iPad app. Joystick piloting at the helm. Of course, what would the helm station be without your own air conditioning here right by the helm? Take a step to the bow, but first I'd be remiss if I didn't show you down here to this cabin. Perfect berth, great for 1 or 2 people, and of course a separated head shower. As we walk to the bow, look how deep this is. This is almost all the way up to my hip or past. You have grab rails throughout, the non-skid on the deck. Very easy to maneuver your way around the boat, even underway. Take a look at what I'm looking at here. This is incredible. Complete wraparound seating with a great, nice, solid teak table. Of course, you press the button, the table is deployed all the way down for a lounge this way or a lounge right here facing forward. This is as much of a day boat as it can be anything else that you'd like to do on the water. This is Ian Stevenson. This has been the video walkthrough of the 2020 Boston Whaler 350 Realm. And if you'd like to see more, come check us out at www.marinemax.com.